Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Nvidia GeForce error that it's not working, or the error code HResultE and has been returned from a call to COM component, and that the GeForce Experience must close. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to search for GeForce Experience and just search for that. One of the best matches should come back with a Nvidia web page here, and you want to select the GeForce Experience link. So go ahead and just left click on that and give it a moment here. Select the green download button. Okay, so once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Okay, so it cannot continue because I don't actually have an Nvidia graphics card on this system. Otherwise, you would just go ahead and continue with the installation prompts. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.